let us see now. Let us consider, and one more thing you have to remember, this angular velocity is not only applicable to circular motion, it is even a general case also. So anywhere if you are rotating a body, or if you want to know what is the angular velocity with respect to such a particular point, okay? Suppose if you are in a circular path or something you are doing, then what is your angular velocity with respect to particular point? So everywhere it's a very generalized concept. So always remember, what is the formula for angular velocity, everybody? V perpendicular divided by what? Radius. Okay. So radius, that is what we can say is that, or range, let it be. Now, my question is, all of you observe very carefully, very, very important. Now, this is what my question. So a point A, so it is moving with a 10 meter per second. What is that, everybody? It is moving with what? 10 meter per second. Now, from the center, that is what we used to say center, which is equals to O. I'm considering as a O. So that is what it is. Now, with respect to O, find the angular momentum of point A with respect to O. That is what? Angular momentum of point A with respect to O is equals to how much? That is what is the question, everybody. Or angular velocity, sorry, not angular momentum. So the question is, angular velocity of W of A, okay, with respect to O when it is at A. That is what? When it is at A, that's all. So particle, guys, angular velocity of that is what? Angular velocity of here. Angular velocity W of particle, you write it, that is particle, okay, when the particle is at what point? When the particle is at, everybody, when the particle is at what point? A point, that's all. Then you can see what is the angle between them, everybody? 90 degrees. Then that's all. Directly you can apply the formula. See that this is the, already we are having that. So that what is the formula? W is equals to, everybody, V perpendicular divided by R. So this is only we used to call it as R. So V perpendicular is equals to how much? Verify it. V perpendicular is equals to 10 divided by R is 4. So which is equals to how much, Ra?
2.5.
2.5. Completed, others understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, same question. Can I make it a little bit different, everybody? Understood? So all of you observe very carefully. Now same. Omega, that is what? Angular velocity of omega of of a particular point with respect to O when it is at B. So check it, everybody. This is what? When it is at A with respect to O, we have to find it. Ellame puriyama? Yes, please. All of you. Now the body is at what point? Everybody. B. Is at what point? B point. So again it is traveling with the same 10 meter per 10 meter per
Second.
And so the circular motion, if you have noticed it here, so initially when it is at point A, that's fine. Now it reaches to the what point? Everybody, B. It is the point B, and point B, if you notice it, it is acting, you can see that with almost angle with respect to point B, 37 degrees. What is the angle here, everybody?
37 degrees.
37 degrees. You all people knows very familiar. Okay. So now you tell me. So R means you have to take 4 this what do you have to take? Perpendicular, we have to take it. So we have to take it what? This one or this one? Everybody. Here will come R. Am I right or wrong, Rudresha? Because 37 degrees. So R is equals to how much it will come? With your expectations, you can tell. Yes. Because what triangle? Very famous for us. What is the triangle? If it is a 3, means here what? 4 and here 3 and here what is that? 5. That is it. And we all knows that. What is the angle between A and this one? Here how much it is? 90 degrees. Okay. 90 if it is 90 means here 37. Then what else is the angle here? 53 degrees. 53. Am I right or wrong? Because triangles, what is the sum of the total triangles? Everybody. 180 degrees. 180. Understand? Everybody clear? Monish?
Yes.
Yes, that is what. Now, if this is 53 means, we all knows that. So let us imagine here 2 components at the point B. This is the 1 and this is the 1. Now tell me, what is the angle between this and this? How much it is? Yes, please. Perpendicular. See, this is what it is. I am drawing the perpendicular. We all knows that if this is what, then this is the perpendicular to that. What is the angle to them, between them? Isra, how much is the angle here? Everybody.
37 degree.
37 or 90 here. Perpendicular, correct. I am drawing perpendicular to the R.
90 degree.
Understand, Ra? This is R, Ra. This is R means R is going like this. Am I right or wrong? So for that perpendicular means this is only. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, this is 90. Then here how much it will come? Because this whole angle is equals to 180. Then what about this angle? This angle will come how much? How much, Ra?
37 degree.
37 degrees. Am I right or wrong? Pradosh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what. This is very, very important. So now you tell me. So we want to find omega V perpendicular divided by R. So we found it. R is equals to how much? If this is the 4, then here what will become? 5. That is what. So V perpendicular is equals to, we found it, that is 5. So R value I know that, but V perpendicular, how much V perpendicular? This is not V perpendicular. Understand, Rudreswar? 10 is not the V perpendicular, something. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Let me consider. Then here is the theta. So here what will come? Everybody. 10. Here what will come? 10 cos 37. Understanding? And opposite what will come? Mela.
10 sin
10
30.
sin
10
37.
sin 37. Of course, we don't have any use of 10 sin 37. So V perpendicular means what? V perpendicular is a what? 10 cos 37 or 10 sin 37? 10 cos
Cos.
37. Because this is the perpendicular. Is it okay? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what. So you have to be very, very clear. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. So this is what the angle perpendicular. Because see, here if it is making with 53 degrees means, then perpendicularly to this, if I draw the line. So what is the angle between them? Perpendicularly means that is only y-axis. So what is the angle between them if I draw? Everybody, which is equal to how much amount? 90. Clear? So it will goes like this. And if at this point, you can see this is a B point, 10 meter per second, point B. Then this will become the y-axis. And this will become the what axis? Everybody, this will become the x-axis. Clear? And here is the 37 degrees will come. Because we all knows that here this side it is making how much angle? It is making the
53
how much?
degree.
53. Then here is the 37. So here what will happen? Cos 37. 10 cos 37. And here what will happen? 10 sin 37. Okay. So V perpendicular means what? 10 or 10 cos 37 or 10 cos
10 cos.
37. So cos 37 value how much? Cos 37 value.
4/5.
Yeah. Learn that. I think by this time minimum 50 times we have written that value. Am I right or wrong? Every time we are writing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 4/5. So 5 ones are 5 twos are. So divided by 5, which is equals to
8/5.
8/5. So 8/5 is equals to how much? 1.6 radian. Understood? Everybody? So with respect to A, you check it, everybody. So A point is directly perpendicularly to the O, but O point and V point, they are not perpendicular to each other. That you should understand. Everybody clear? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So then we have
Yes,
to
sir.
join that, we have to form the triangle. At the point B, you can see. So actually it is forming. I am filling the triangle. These values and all they are not giving. We are taking. If here is the 90, here is the 37 means. Then here how much it will come? How much it will come?
53.
Everybody, 53. Then if it is a 53, at that 53, if I draw the perpendicular, then what is the angle between them? That is what y-axis. What is the angle between them? 90. Then if this is 90 plus 53, then how much is remaining? Then this will become how much?
37.
37. So that is what theta. Okay. So here if I apply again same thing. So we all knows that this is the theta. So theta is equals to 37 means here what will come? For example, this is 5. So let me take 10. So here what will come? 10 cos 37. And here y-axis what will come? Everybody, 10 sin 37. The same thing I am applying here. So V perpendicular. V perpendicular means what? 10 cos. Everybody.
37.
10 cos 37. That is what. Because why, sir? Why 10 cos 37 is a perpendicular? Because what is the angle between them? Yes, please. Perpendicular means 90. What is the angle? 90 degrees. So that is what it is. So we must take V perpendicular. Am I clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
So that is what.
Yes, sir.
Perpendicular means don't expect perpendicular means always like this only. Okay. For example, I'll make this one means then this is also perpendicular. Am I right or wrong? Inclined plane we have studied. Projectile motion and inclined surface. Yes or no? All of you.
Yes, sir.
That is what you have to remember. Okay. So if I draw, for example, like this is also what is the angle between them? All of you.
90.
90 degrees only. Clear? You have to remember that. Because if I consider this is a point, so here down 45, up 45. What is the angle between them?
90.
90. Clear? That is what. So what is the triangular velocity at point B with respect to O? At point B with respect to O. Keep it in mind. Angular velocity of a particle at point B with respect to what? Everybody.
O.
Angular velocity. Here you write it. If you want it, you can write it. What is that? Angular velocity of a P. P means what? Particle. Okay. Particle with respect to O when it is at what? When
Point
it
B.
at point B. Okay. So when it is at point A, both are perpendicular. Directly it will over. But when it is at point B, did you understand everybody how to solve it? Everyone understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
That is what. So this is what is circular motion, angular velocity. So till here, everybody, you can solve. I hope you all understand this question. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me, or else we will wind up. Aswita understood, Aswita? Clearly, one hand, Samya. Yes. Yeah, very, very important concepts. So please kindly solve. Don't show any carelessness. 100% it will be helpful. I hope you all understanding, able to understand clearly. Any doubt, guys? Anyone can respond. Yes. Murali, Pradosh, Purima, Pradosh.
Sir.
Yeah. So that's what. So revise it and make it. And then from here, we'll continue in our tomorrow's class. Okay. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Please solve and sleep. This question you complete it and then only you sleep. Any doubt, you can ask me also, and then only you can go to the bed.